The function of analytical chemistry is both fundamental and applied. In the first place, the aim of chemical analysis is to obtain information purpose. For this reason, the analytical chemist should be familiar with theoretical principles and instrumentation of all methods. Analytical chemist or the function of analytical chemistry is both fundamental and applied. It means that analytical chemist must know the theoretical principles, why this procedure, what is the procedure, but what is the theory behind this procedure, why we are doing this type of procedure, what will be the expected results. And you must also, analytical chemist must be very familiar with the instruments and the mechanics of the instruments. The analytical chemist should improve the existing method of analysis and be in constant search for new and better methods for increasing the field of application. He should select the measurement for those parameters which will be used in coming to rational decisions about the problem under investigation. Means, what is important for the analytical chemist? Analytical chemist must be familiar with theoretical principles. He must know instrumentation methods. He must study the mechanics of the instruments. He must improve the existing method of analysis, and he must be in search of new and better methods of increasing the field of application. Analytical chemist should select the measurement of those parameters which will be used in coming rational decisions about the problem under investigation. Instruments used in analytical methods always involve electronic circuit. Everybody knows that instruments needed electronic circuit. The analytical chemist need not be electronic expert. Analytical chemist can design or improve an existing instrument to measure desired property with precision needed. First instrument used by analytical chemist was analytical balance. Single pan balance are available which can weigh the sample in micrograms in a matter of seconds. Analytical chemist must know the use of single pan balance or double pan balance. Analytical techniques are tools for analysis. Analytical techniques are tools of analysis and should be required. Analytical chemistry is to fulfill its fundamental functions, must be scientific, and must involve research and innovation. In applied field, analytical chemistry make it possible due to a certain organic or inorganic origin of the material under study. Students, remember these 4 points, that analytical chemist must know or must have the